up. Let's get. I'm probably gonna get hella copyright on this. So today's video is me gonna show you all I got from Dragcon. I'm cute. And Christian's being a witch. So I'll see you back at the house. My eye makeup is beautiful today. This was definitely different, out of my norm, and I love it. Okay, so we're finally home.
You don't see my crap.
And my yeah, sister's in the shop too.
You don't see, right?
So one of the bags I got from Dragcon was this big bag for the smallest item in the world, but I love it. This is a cool brand. I am not sponsored by any of these brands that I am showing.
Do you still have makeup on your face?
No, I took off.
That one's stained though.
Yeah, it's stained. Ah, you could have got my eye. Yeah, it's stained. Why'd you rub it on my shirt?
So, what? There's your baby shirt? You on the shirt company now? Brittnee shirt company?
Shut up, Bill.
Separate money for people to take pictures with? And separate money.
Yeah, I planned it better. Set money to take pictures with the people and money to take pictures
Money
with
to spend.
the spend. Oh, these are like cool glitters, like, cause they have the protective top first, and you can see through it. And I like how the jar looks. This is glitter air glow, which is cool.
Very light.
Very pretty. I like the packaging a lot. Next, oh, Brianna got this fan.
Sachet.
Yeah, shade light. It's cute for $5. Then I got this bag. Win by Chaz Dean. So this is cleansing conditioner. Ooh, cleansing conditioner. That's cute. It smells good. A pity.
Now we won't say about that.
Let's see. Another cleansing conditioner. Are these all conditioners, but is it for your hair? Yeah, rinse hair thoroughly though, yeah. They're all like conditioners with different like pomegranate, lavender, tea tree, sweet almond and mint. It's an interesting combination of smells. I like that. More perfumes. I'll probably give these to Aaron.
Swish in this.
These look.
I don't have anything.
These are all men-like perfumes and smells, so I'll probably give these to
Excuse me.
Yes.
Men don't wear perfume.
Okay, colognes and smells. Sorry.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I got a cucumber cleansing conditioner.
You got a cucumber.
Cucumber.
We a part of cucumbers now?
Yes. Rice-based, gluten-free. So it's bamboo green tea for this conditioner. A flag today, which is really cute. Not sponsored by any of these places, companies. Put all my stuff in. The next bag I got was a manic panic bag. Oh my god.
I hope you're gonna plug that back in.
Hello. A manic panic book.
My phone died. I was trying to charge it. It's literally on.
Can you not yell while you're next to me?
5%.
I got another free bag. I was collecting free bags all over the place because I love free bags.
Because we weren't on the street, we were in the car.
I got a beautiful gold free bag. GLF Cosmetics made a pretty bag.
You don't stay in the car the whole time?
No, Papa wasn't with us the whole time.
I got a pin by Silky Nutmeg Ganache.
Yeah.
Insert again, she shouted me out. Hi! Oh my gosh, I was oh my god, I'm so excited, yay!
And Silky Nutmeg Ganache from RuPaul's Drag Race. Follow her. She's a bad girl, and she need the love, and you gonna give it to her. Wow.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh my god, I'm so proud.
Oh.
I still don't our business. Your sense
Goat milk. I got these beautiful earrings that me and Brianna are going to turn into necklaces. She's going to have Artemis, and I'm going to have Luna. I got a free fan, which is pretty cool. I didn't open it. Beautiful picture of Eric.
Okay.
I'm so happy. I want the big one, but like next time. I just need him to like decorate my whole house. He had a bunch of Disney ones, which were really pretty.
Okay, thank you.
Oh my god, I didn't notice Ariel was tattooed on his arm. Can you see it?
Don't leave no bottles up there.
We don't have any bottles. We don't got bottled drinks.
I got hand sanitizer, which was
It's
smart.
already a mess.
I'm not leaving anything
More
up
cards.
here.
These are so cute.
Okay, honey.
Brianna's flag and the blow pop. Yeah.
Oh my god. They're blow pops?
Yeah.
Let me see.
I got stickers to decorate my bullet journal with. She was such a nice queen. I have pictures with her. I'm going to post them too. I'll post a few of the pictures from Dragcon on this video too. That's another picture of her. She was so nice. She let us take a picture of Polaroids. Brown was handing Polaroids all over the place. We were collecting business cards all over the place because it was like we wanted to. You're funny now. They remember you. We wanted to get like pictures and as much memorabilia we could because this was the first Dragcon they ever went to. And it was such a fun, epic event. This is like my biggest prize, I think. That and having a really great time. I'm gonna end the video here. So, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Nice meeting you, and you do amazing work. I'll talk to him. And so, again, I don't really have an outro, so I'll see you guys next week, or tomorrow, or whenever I feel like posting. So,
Oh, that
yeah.
shit, like, I thought that was me.